Hey guys, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. And in this video I'm going to be walking with you, showing you guys how to do something called dealing up with the comments in Microsoft programming using Visual Basic application. So in this video basically I'm going to be walking with you, showing you how to really come up with a simple how do you write a comment in a program. How to write a comment, like for instance you're writing up a comment, you want to write a program and tomorrow you want someone to help in that given program, you want someone to solve for your given problem in that program. You always write a comment to help us solve that given problem in our program. So for that kind of way, in other different programming languages, like for instance in PHP, in whatever, in JavaScript, we have comments. We have comments that when you write a comment, it enables us to know and realize or analyze how a program is going to behave. Like for instance here, so if you check on the other programming language, like I've said, we have them, and they tend to give us a chance to understand how those things are going to move. You get? Now I don't want to waste a lot of your time. I may just simply say in a simple term, let me walk with you straight to the point. Like for instance here, if I just double click here on this panel, this is a comment. In a Visual Basic, to write a comment, you just give to, if you write something in between that and do that. And now you have to make sure that it's not black. Now for instance, this is opening comment, so this is a single line comment. You get? So if I write like that, that's a comment, because a comment is something that when you write in a program and try to run in the screen, it does not tend to appear until the program does not get any error. You get? The error is because I didn't put the summation. But this is what I'm trying to mean. Like for instance, if I happen to add this and I provide with this, we're not going to get error because I've given the right thing in our program. So in a simple term, how do you write a comment in Visual Basic? We write a comment with giving 2 single quotes. Now some of you guys may go further with 2 double quotes or 3 double quotes. Is that a comment? That's not a comment, boss. So a comment always use single quote. And how about if I just write one and I try to run this program? Will it give me some kind of a problem somewhere? Now the problem may not tend to work anywhere because it's not part of the program where it's running. So in a simple term, that's how they write a comment. Like for instance, if I just copy that same piece of line of code and I try to give it down here where I have you in my summation, we should a single line, just one single quote is equal to a comment in Visual Basic. Whereby if you try to give something within there, sort of like that, we can simply get our output without any problem. So that's what we call a comment. And 2, a comment is only given for a programmer. Someone who's going to check onto the source code is only will definitely understand that that's a comment. Otherwise the users will not understand that they happen to write a comment in their program. So otherwise this is how they write a single line comment. So if a single line comment means affects on one line, if you come down here, it does not mean that's a comment. How about if I want to come down there and I do like that? You get? Or what if I do like that? Is it going to underline anything there? How about if I try to add more quotes there like that, and then I come down here and I try to break this down like that, and I come down here and I give 3? Is it going to be trying to make this statement to be in a comment? My friend, that's no. Implies in a simple time, if I run this program and I try to give my whatever there, I should get an error. Why? Because this is not how they write a comment in a Visual Basic. In a simple way, you give single line comment. So that's it, my friend. That's what I would like to let you know now. There are other types of comments still, but I don't want you guys to go into something else now at the moment. So I want you guys to understand how the program is given and then how to write a single line comment, and then let you know how to give it in a program. Otherwise, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get a chance next time to get a chance to be among the best with what I'm going to be providing to you. So subscribe, share this with your friend. Thank you.